Hello all. Welcome back to Dev Sir's Mathemagic. Today I am going to take one problem from lines and planes. Okay. CET problem PYQ lines and planes. How to find the distance of a point from a given plane. Okay. So there is a just small trick for that. Just remember the hint. No need to write the formula as we do in boards. Directly वो hint follow करो और substitute करो, answer आ जाएगा. Let us straight away go to the problem. PYQ 2018. Find the distance of the point 4i minus 3j plus k. Now remember, this is a point. आप सोचोगे point is in terms of x1, y1, z1. Sometimes the position vector of the point is given. Okay, this is the position vector of this point P in terms of vector because it is a position vector from the plane r dot 2i plus 3j minus 6k equal to 21. So equation of the plane is given in vector form. Coordinates of the point are also given in vector form because it represents the position vector. Now what is the method? Reduce both equations to Cartesian form. Okay, reduce both equations to Cartesian form and substitute the coordinates of the point in the equation of the plane. After taking all terms on left hand side, ये सब clear करूँगा मैं, don't worry. Don't forget to divide by root of a squared plus b squared plus c squared. So let's see the method now. Let's go straight ahead to the problem. See, this is the plane, this equation is given, this is the point. Now always, what is the hint given? Convert the point into Cartesian form. Cartesian form means kya? There is a position vector, coordinates will be 4, minus 3, 1. Just take the coefficients, okay? 4, minus 3, 1. Coefficient मिल गए इसके, right? Then r dot 2i plus 3j minus 6k equal to 21. How do we convert into Cartesian form equation? This is the vector form of equation. When r dot some vector is given, it is called as vector form. तो अभी कार्टेशियन फॉर्म में कैसे कन्वर्ट करना है? Just remember, remove r bar, okay, and replace I by x, j by y, k by z equal to 21. So shortcuts, remove r bar, replace I, j, k by x, y, z, and then don't forget, after taking all terms on LHS, so 21 should be also on the left hand side. Okay? तो ये करने के बाद formula says, very simple thing, distance PM, you have to take the absolute value, root of, absolute value of, first thing is, substitute the coordinates of the point in the equation of the plane. Now this is the equation of the plane, okay? After taking all terms on left hand side, substitute in place of x, x coordinate. In place of y, y coordinate. बराबर? In place of z, z coordinate. Z coordinate. Z coordinate is 1 and also include minus 21. So in place of x, y, z, substitute x, y, z. और जो कांस्टेंट लेफ्ट हैंड साइड को आया है उसे वैसा ही रहने दो, कीप इट एज इट इज, डिवाइडेड बाय रूट ऑफ ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर प्लस सी स्क्वायर, यानी क्या, ये पहले तीन कोएफिशिएंट्स ए बी सी, only 3, don't take minus 21, root of 2 squared plus 3 squared plus minus 6 squared. So let's calculate the answer. 8, 3 into minus 3, minus 9. 3 into minus 3, 3 minus 3 मत करो, minus 6 into 1 is minus 6, minus 21. 2 squared is 4, plus 9, plus 36. Absolute value, because by chance if you get a negative answer, distance cannot be negative, it has to be positive. Okay? करो कैलकुलेट. यू कैन ऐड दीज 3 नंबर्स. ठीक है, यहां से चालू करेंगे. 8 माइनस 9 इज यहाँ पे लिख रहा हूं मैं, 8 माइनस 9 इज -1, -1, -6, -21, ऐसे 3 नेगेटिव नंबर्स आ गए ऊपर. -1, -6, -21, -1, -6 इज -7, right? So -7 minus 21 upon 9 plus 4, 13, root 49. So last step, I will just write the answer here. -7 minus 21 is minus 28, root 49 is 7, minus 28 upon 7 is absolute value of -4, 7 4s are 28, so absolute value of -4 is +4, that is this distance PM, distance of the point from a given plane. Simple way to find out. Okay, right. Now we'll take one more sum. यहाँ पे मैं डायग्राम नहीं निकालने वाला हूँ, डायरेक्ट आंसर. फाइंड द डिस्टेंस ऑफ द पॉइंट 1 1 -1 here. 1 1 -1, that directly you are given in terms of x y z from the plane. Again, equation of the plane is x y z, everything is given to you ready made, just substitute the values. डायरेक्टली आंसर लिख रहा हूं मैं. डोंट फॉरगेट एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू. ड्रॉ बिग लाइन. सब टर्म्स लेफ्ट हैंड साइड को ध्यान से देखो, एवरीथिंग इज ऑन द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड. एक्स वाई जेड है, सो इन प्लेस ऑफ एक्स सब्स्टिट्यूट एक्स कोऑर्डिनेट. दिस इज एक्स वाई जेड. In place of y, substitute y coordinate. Y is 1. In place of z, substitute z coordinate. Upon root of a squared plus b squared plus c squared. पहले 3 numbers का square from the equation of the plane. So shall I do it orally now? We are doing CET. 3 squared 9. 4 squared 16. -12 का स्क्वायर 144. Square of a negative number is positive. So your answer is 3 into 1 3 plus 4 minus 12 into minus 1 is plus 12. Sorry, coach, something is going wrong. I forgot one thing. Plus 20. That term should also be included. Plus 20 16 plus 9, 25 plus 144, 169. करो कैलकुलेट कितना हो रहा है. 12 plus 4, 16, 16 plus 3, 19, 19 plus 20, 39. Root of 169 is 13. 13, 9 upon 13, which is just 3 units. यहाँ पे तो दोनों पॉजिटिव है. So distance of this point from this plane is 3 units. That is the simple method. यहाँ तो पे कुछ करना नहीं है. Take everything on the left hand side which is already there. But यहाँ पे you have to convert the equation of the plane into Cartesian form. How to convert that? R bar छोड़ो, replace x, y, z, 2x plus 3y minus 6z और फिर same method. But don't forget to take the constant on the left hand side. यहाँ पे तो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे है ही, राइट? ओके, सो लेट्स स्ट्रेट अवे गो टू द नेक्स्ट सम नाउ. ओके, लेट्स गो टू द नेक्स्ट सम नाउ. दिस इज अ डिफरेंट सम टू फाइंड द acute angle between a line and a plane. Means what? This is the plane whose equation is given. This is the line whose equation is given. Find the angle between the line and the plane. So this angle is shown over here. This is the line, this is the plane. You have to find out theta. So for that, the formula is sin theta is equal to, again absolute value, b bar dot n bar. Okay, now b bar is a vector, n bar is a vector. Okay, so b bar dot n bar upon magnitude of b bar into magnitude of n bar. यहाँ पे dot नहीं है because these are magnitudes we are just going to multiply. For that you have to remember certain basic things. When any equation of line is given, उसका basic formula याद है? It is like this. R bar is equal to A bar plus lambda B bar. A bar is the point which lies on the line. Don't worry about that. We are concerned about B bar. B bar is the parallel vector to that now. Basic है. Okay? So remember, when the equation of line is given like this, first bracket is A bar, second bracket is B bar. यहाँ पे B bar substitute करना है, right? तो n bar क्या है अभी फ्रेंड्स? n bar यानी when the equation of the plane is given, its standard form is r bar dot n bar is equal to p. Okay, r bar dot n bar is equal to p. So this is n bar, right? Okay. So once you get to know about b bar and n bar, then it is easy to substitute in the given equation. So let us do that. फॉर्मूला लिखा है, चलो सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे. Second bracket of the line, equation of the line is quite big because it is of the form r bar is equal to a bar plus lambda b bar. So this represents b bar, 2i plus 3j minus 6k. Okay. dot n bar is the bracket on the left hand side. We are not concerned about p. It can be 0, it can be something else, some constant. We are concerned about n bar. Minus j means minus 1j plus 1k. Okay? Dot product है ऊपर. Magnitude of b bar means ये जो लिखा है उसका magnitude. We have to take the magnitude of that. How to take the magnitude? Square of this. 2 squared is 4. 3 squared is 9. Minus 6 squared is 36. Square plus square plus square multiplied by magnitude of this. Root of 2 squared is 4 plus minus 1 का square plus 1 square. That's all. Followed? So ऊपर whatever we have written over there, just take the magnitude of that. 2 squared plus 3 squared plus minus 6 squared. Minus 6 squared is plus 36. ऊपर जो लिखा है उसका स्क्वायर रूट लेना है. 4 plus 1 plus 1. How do you take the dot product? Just multiply. 2 into 2 plus 3 into minus 1 plus minus 6 into 1. Just multiply the coefficients. 2 into 2 plus 3 into minus 1 plus minus 6 into 1. If you want, you can take a bracket here. Upon 9 plus 4, 13 plus 36, 49. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. So, shall I calculate here? 2 2s are 4. 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. Minus 6 into 1 is minus 6. That gives you 4 minus 3 is 1. 1 minus 6 is minus 5. Square root of 49 is 7. Absolute value of minus 5 is plus 5. So finally, if you take sign on the other side, we get the answer as sine inverse 5 upon 7 root 6. Let us see what form the answer is given. Yes, this is the answer given. So this is the formula to find the angle between a line and a plane. Both equation of line and plane are given in vector form. Okay. So for equation of line, first bracket is a bar, second bracket is b bar. We are not at all concerned with a bar. Take the second bracket. Right. For the equation of the plane, second bracket again, that is n bar. दोनों का डॉट प्रोडक्ट ले लो, दोनों के मैग्नीट्यूड्स ले लो एंड देन कैलकुलेट. क्वाइट सिंपल. ओके, सो दैट विल बी ऑल फॉर टुडे. दोनों सम्स रिवाइज, तीन प्रॉब्लम्स रिवाइज करो. वी विल गो टू सम अदर टॉपिक टुमारो. बाय, सी यू.